Newport against Man United. How big a game is this for the club?
Biggest game in its history, I think. I'm not a Manchester United fan like so many are, but I would say, yeah, it's the biggest game in their history. They're the biggest club in the world. I know there's argument between them and Real Madrid, but I would say United are probably the biggest club in the world. So it's a fixture that's never happened before, so it goes down as the number one. And there are thousands. There's more United fans in Newport than there are, Newport fans, basically.
What will the fixture actually mean for the club then, and the wider community? Because it's, as you say, it's huge.
Yeah, it's huge, and I think, things haven't been great for Newport as a city for probably a decade or so, maybe a bit longer. What I think will be highlighted is just how big a football club is within a town or a city, a community, and how it can galvanise things. Newport, whilst the football has done well over the last 15, 20 years, as a town or as a city now, we've really seen things go, backwards for the last, say, 5, 10 years. And things aren't great. So having such a big occasion, hopefully, alerts a lot of people to just how important the football club is in a community. You
were there back in 2019 when Newport beat Leicester in the Cup. How special occasion was that?
It was, and no one gave us a chance, right? No one gave Newport a chance. They just wrote Newport off. Leicester being Premier League champions recently. I think, again, it's one of those, David and Goliath situations, but, it was a huge day, huge result. The build-up was fantastic, as it was with other cup games we've seen with other big Premier League teams come into Rodney Parade. But yeah, David beat Goliath as he did in biblical times. So let's hope it can happen again.
Yeah. So, can it happen again? Will it happen again?
Can it happen again? Yes.
Will it happen again? Will Newport beat Man United?
Listen, I think a lot has to go right for Newport, right, and a lot has to go wrong for Manchester United. You look at the disparity between the teams, the money and everything is like it's chalk and cheese, right? But, we've seen stranger things happen. I mean, Man United, all the pressure is on them. The pitch used to be a big leveler, but the pitch is in really good nick these days. So, it'll still play a part, but not that big. But if you look at, United squad, for instance, I bet, one player will dwarf the whole club budget of Newport County. But that's not mean to say they can't win the game. I think they can win the game, but, United are going to have to miss a few chances, get upset. Newport going to have to be really aggressive, show no respect, run hard for 90 minutes, and if you lose hard, So they've got a chance. You've always got a chance. You buy a ticket to the lottery, you've got a chance of winning it, haven't you? It's always possible. It's definitely possible. FA Cup throws up some freaky results every so often, and there's no reason why Newport can't, go and nick a 1-0 or something like that. The ideal scenario would be Newport draw and then go to Old Trafford and win. Why not, right?
Yeah, want your cake and eat it.
Yeah, I'm a greedy man.